All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Ford Transit. It is the T-250 mid-roof, long wheelbase with 18,000 miles, beautiful white with gray vinyl interior, AM/FM stereo system. You got backup camera, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Your front bumper looks good. Like a scuffing or something there. Hood looks pretty good. Your front fender looks pretty good. Does have a dent here, as you can see it. One here, one here, one here. Here on the door we have a dent. It probably came here, but now the door opens and closes good. This must have been ran or something like that. All right, the rest of the door looks pretty good. Does have a couple of chips up there. 1, 2, 3. All right, this your front driver's rim or steel wheel over 9/32. You have a heavy scratch here and a couple of dings here. All right, another heavy scratch dented, really a dent with paint off there. The rest of it looks pretty good. We do have a couple of dent up there. You can see it goes from here to here. That's actually a dent. No paint off here, but on the two edges, there is some paint off. Here's your rear driver side rim. Very nice. Tire thread. Over 7/32. Jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. Does come with, does have power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, very nice. Does have a little tear right here, about an inch. Does come with one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. We turn this vehicle on for you guys. Does have a AM/FM stereo system. You got your AC controls right down below. You got your backup camera. Pow! So what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 18,003 miles. Looks good. Pretty much it. Keep it moving. Ooh. The rear bumper looks pretty good. Does have a dent here. Actually, a little cracking here, about 2 inches. Your doors look pretty good. Does have a little dent there, another little dent there, and another one there. Another dent here. All right, let me open these doors. Swing them out. All right, this is of course what your rear cargo area looks like. Very nice. Looks nice, bright, shiny. Wheel well molded. They have a couple of dings and dents on this one. Not too much there, but definitely got some dents over there. All right, this is what one of your doors looks like. Very nice. Does have a little dent there, another dent here and here. Normally, that's from putting so much cargo here that it comes all the way against this door, and you gotta push it in. This door here looks good. Doesn't have any things like the other one. So let me get the ladder. Boom. All right. And your roof looks pretty darn good. Does seem to have a little dent there. I'll tell you right here, if you can, as you can see it from there, coming around there. This thing took a little scuffing, but it's not beat up or nothing. All right. Pretty much is it for that. This quarter looks pretty decent. I do see a couple of little dings here. Another one there. That's about it. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. Tire they're back here. This way over 7/32. That looks like almost a brand new tire. This sliding door looks pretty good. Looks like it's been paintwork has been done to it. Yeah, I can see some paintwork, blotches and stuff like that. Here's of course your side cargo area and what that looks like. Very nice. I see some dents here. There's probably some dents. I always look on the inside so I can't see them all. There's a dent there, and dent there, dent here. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Here's your rear, your front passenger steel wheel. And your tire thread is over 7/32. All right. My boy Aston is gonna bring me a ladder. and we'll look at those dents. All right. Yeah, it actually looks like the dent is from the inside out. This looks pushed up, and there it actually looks pushed down. If I hit this, I don't know, guys. That's definitely a dent there. That's definitely a dent there. And that's definitely a dent right there. Right there. I'm right above it right now. All right. That's about it. All right. Showed you that. Showed you the scuffing here. Booyah. Folks, once again, a 2018 Ford Transit T-250 mid-roof long wheelbase with 18,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.